Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as this video states, this is an unboxing video of my camera and accessories. So I got this box from Amazon. It consists of my camera, tripod stand, some SD cards, the camera bag, and a lot of goodies like the filter kit, like a mini tripod, and some lenses. So this is me just unboxing. They have this package deal on Amazon where you can get bundle of stuff, but this is what me I got the Canon Rebel T6i because it has a flip screen which would also serve as my monitor. So this is just me unboxing and getting all excited. So I decided to show you guys this video because I'm starting a new series and I just feel like this is the best way to start by just showing you my camera before I go into other details. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not for now, it's for like future reference. I need one for my camera. Ding, ding, ding. Thank you for watching.